Well, we are going to have some clouds moving in right now and later this afternoon, tracking the potential for some isolated evening thunder showers. But right now, things are actually pretty calm. Some showers actually developing in central Mississippi, but probably going to stay out of our region until later on today. Warm front well to our north, and that warm, moist air from the Gulf is surging all across the southeast. And so far, yeah, it is quiet, but it is quite warm out there. Clarksdale already at 72, 68 Monticello, 71 in Monroe, all the way to Vicksburg. So again, temperatures very warm across the Arklamis this morning. Greenville, good morning to you. 70 degrees, winds out of the southeast at 11 miles per hour. But the number to really look at here is that humidity, 84%. So it's quite the muggy morning as you're heading out. Greenwood, winds are picking up out of the south at 13 miles per hour. Temperatures also at an even 70. Temperature trend through the next week, mid 80s through this weekend. A little bit cooler heading into early next week, which not really cool, but average, I guess you would say, as temperatures drop back into the lower 80s. But we're actually going to see a drying trend as well. Now, water vapor and radar pretty quiet again across the region. There's showers to our north and our west. Some dry air moved in during the overnight hours, but there's going to be just enough moisture to produce a couple of those storms a little bit later on. But as of now, it looks like we're going to stay pretty calm through the first half of the day. A couple of showers now developing south of Jackson into the Pine Belt region, and those will gradually move in our direction a little bit later on. And putting a little closer view on this, you can start to see those showers popping up south of Jackson as that cloud cover starts to increase, and the clouds will start to move into the delta. So if you're seeing sun right now, you'll start to see more cloud cover a little bit later on into this afternoon. And tracking out the rest of your day, notice these showers start to form around lunchtime. It looks like the model's picking up on early development than we were earlier in the morning, but now as we go into the 1 o'clock hour, just rounds of those daytime summer-like thunderstorms. You get that warm daytime heating, enough of air rises, you have those convective cumulus clouds allowing us to produce some of these heavier showers. And then going through the evening, it looks like the highest coverage of rain will be south of Highway 82, but certainly could see some showers into Greenwood, Clarksdale, all the way to Tunica. As we go into the evening, things start to calm down. We lose daytime heating. We're going to see that cloud cover stick around. Temperatures only going to drop into the mid to upper 60s. So again, waking up tomorrow morning, very similar to what we have this morning. Very mild, very muggy. The humidity going to be high for the next couple of days. And Friday going to be very similar to what we have today. As we go back into the afternoon hours, these storms start to bubble up around 2 o'clock, and we're going to see them pretty much for the rest of the afternoon. And temperatures will warm well into the 80s tomorrow. As for rain chances today, now, like I mentioned, the best chance of rain going to be south of Highway 82, about a 40% chance from Greenville to Carrollton. Chances gradually increase the further south you go. Yazoo City, Kosciuszko at a 60% chance of rain. And then places like Charleston, Batesville, Clarksdale, you're only looking at a chance of an isolated shower. So again, highest rain coverage will be to the southern portions of the viewing area, South Delta, south of Highway 82 and along Highway 82. But again, we'll have to track these storms very closely a little bit later on. Fortunately, we're not looking for any severe weather today. For the Yazoo River, currently at 25.5 feet, looking to hold steady more or less into Tuesday. The Greenville gauge at the Mississippi River currently reading 45.7 feet, looking like we're going to drop another 2 feet or so heading into Tuesday. So we're continuing that downward trend as we continue through the month of May. For today, partly cloudy skies this morning, scattered thunder showers later today. I'm thinking mainly between 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. That's going to be our best chance, but we could see a couple of those showers a little bit earlier today. Winds are going to be breezy out of the south at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight, lows of 67, showers ending early overnight, partly cloudy skies and mild. Winds are going to continue to be breezy overnight. Looking ahead to the weekend, Saturday, just a few storms. It's going to be a nice day for the most part. Very warm and humid, highs of 86. A little bit cooler Sunday, but it does look like the coverage of rain is going to be a little bit higher. Probably our best chance of rain over the next 4 days or so. But looking ahead to our 7-day forecast, now after this weekend, the next 3 days starting next week, actually going to be clear. We're going to have that sunshine return, a little bit cooler with temperatures in the lower 80s.